Hello everyone, Sam Izek from CreativeTradingSystem.com. Making this video about my system and how it works and how we should use it. Right. After getting several emails and the last email I got, I promised that I'm going to make a video explaining, even though I have a video made before, but I don't know where the heck they are. I have more than 1,400 videos on my website, so on my YouTube channel. So now I said, okay, let me make a fresh one where I can show you exactly what happened. And the basic of my system is that plan your trade and then trade your plan. Simple, very, very simple thing. Right? Everybody knows about these two sentences. So, how do I plan the trade and then how we can uh, make the entries or trade, according to that plan, right? So let's get it started. Basically, let's take a look at the email that I got and the questions. So I'm going to go one by one, answer his questions, and then the email was from Ravi. So Ravi, I'm making this video especially for you. And this is your email, right? So you said that I have a couple of questions and hopefully, okay, now I have the 40-minute chart open with the low indicator running on them. That's fine. When I get an alert of either long or short on a specific chart, I open that chart on the 7-minute and 20-minute and place the CTS. Now that is where the problem is. Now you're gonna get these reversal candles at a lot of places all the time, right? They're not to take. That's the reason that I make my 40-minute chart specifically and then I send it out. Why? Because using my studies, for example, like Elliott wave, harmonic pattern, Fibonacci, and all of that, price always make the like waves, right? And there are specific time or place where the price make the turn, and we have to determine that and find out that, right? So reversal candle up and down on a different places, not good. They are only good when they are made on a specific place, specific Fibonacci number or trend line bounce or SNR level with, in conjunction with the Fibonacci and all of that. So that's why I make the 40-minute chart. Let me show you my 40-minute chart. And this is how they're, right? So this is the chart I made based on this, like it goes up there and then it's like A, B, C correction. Now, if you don't know the Elliott wave, you're not going to understand what the heck is this A, B, C correction, right? That's why I said, oh, don't worry about it. Just pay attention. From here, we're going to go up there or maybe halfway or somewhere, right? And the chart I made, let me show you the chart basically I made was at the time was this, right? So now you can clearly see that we don't have a reversal candle here and we don't have a blue candle here, but this indicates all the way down and this is sitting at a support. It's a big, huge support on a monthly chart. It's 208.11, big, huge number. Plus, it's like I said, the Elliott wave phenomena here, which is a flat correction, right? If you want to know what the heck is that, we'll show you quickly as that as well. And flat corrections are flat corrections like this one. So this is like a sideways flat correction. It looks like on the new one. Let me show you the new one. Whoops, what the heck happened here? Where the diagrams are. Extra large. Okay. Now, see the flat correction, basically, I would rather show you this. Uh, that's a small one. Okay, that doesn't matter. Right, see this one. So after a big move, you have A equal B equal C, sideways completely. And after that, the price move in the previous direction. That's a flat correction right there. And usually it happens in wave 4, flat correction. Another example for that happening here, let me show you. I made the chart recently, and I'm taking these yen pair trades based on that as well. And that is this one. You see that? I even have written here as a regular flat correction. How? Big move to the upside, then A, B, C. It's a flat sideways correction. That happens all the time at a level 75.31. And I said, if we bounce, if, right? You can drop easily. And we had a red candle going on right now at that time, right? So, but if, and that if comes from a reversal candle, right? And then watching the pairs that if really are really going to the upside. So that's flat correction happens here, definitely, right? The same thing. See, move, then A, B, C, maybe like 50% at a level. So I made the chart that after a reversal candle, we should be looking for 7 minute and 20 minute. What the heck is that? So 7 minute chart like a regular 5 minute chart, and 20 minute chart is like regular 15 minute chart for say, right? So if we open these two charts, now these two charts need to be open on like a weekend and then stay, or when the week is starting on Sunday, and then stay open until the end of the week. You don't want to close and open and close and open because these are Renko candles. And sometimes they, uh, uh, you know, become like a little bit slightly different than the previous, right? Reprint or something like that, people say. But yeah, this is a special indicator that does open these charts, and then they need to be open all the time. That was one of the questions, by the way. Here is it's. Do I need to be running the 7 minute and 20 minute chart full time? Yes. The answer to that question is yes, you can. And if not, then you're going to have misfire. So better you have it. Now, how do you do that? I have made videos, and if you don't have it, then ask me, send me an email, then I'll ask Omar to send you that how you can open multiple MT4 on one computer, right? So you open one MT4, then the second one's from same broker. You can open three, four, five in a different directory that you have to open. Otherwise, they will overlap each other. So if you open different three MT4, for example, one MT4 you keep for yourself to do the analysis. Second MT4, you will open only the 40-minute charts, which the pair that you are going to watch, right? Specific pairs, not like 20, 30 pairs because your computer is gonna freeze. Only, and then you don't want to spread yourself too much in all over the place. Other than that, what will happen is that then you will lose focus, and you lose concentration, and then you wouldn't know which pair is doing what. So only maybe like I would recommend 4 or 5 pairs, or maybe gold with that, and that's it, or Nasdaq, whatever you like to do. But keep yourself within like maybe 4 to 6 pairs only, right? So if you open 40-minute charts and have the alarm running for the reversal candle, right? Then another MT4, only those pairs, you open 720, 720, 720, 720, and then keep that also running. And then on the third one, that you can do the analysis and this and that, and you can change the profiles and charts and all of that. But don't change or close 40-minute and 7 and 20. Right? Open these charts in the beginning of the week and let them run until the weekend, right? Friday. Very important, right? Now, is it wrong to have started in the middle of the week? No, you can start anywhere. In fact, I start every day, fresh, every day. Every day I look for setups, and every day you must understand it. Oh, let me show you. Um, every pair has a daily range, right? Now, this one I marked from here to here, not all the way to the upside. Why? Because what happened is that it has daily range. Now, daily range is right there. Average 60-day range is 148. Let's say 150, right? So now the other day, yesterday, it moved on Sunday, 109. Okay. We are not very close to that. But the idea is that they, usually they move into that, vicinity, 150. That, for example, this pair, it will move around that, maybe 130, 140, sometime 150. Now, today it moved 220 pip. 226 to be exact, right? So, and then once that happened, it's not gonna go 300 or 400 or 500, right? It's gonna retrace. So you cash out. Now it's gonna retrace maybe back to here somewhere, right? And then by that time, you will have a next day coming in. And then again, the next day, when the volume time comes, boom, it's going to start again, right? So that happens on a daily basis. Move happen, then retracement. This is move happen, then retracement. Move happen, then retracement. Move happen, then retracement, right? So you have to understand that when the move is, and that's mostly I do the job, and then I give you these charts, right? So these charts I posted on the Telegram here as well. See this pound yen and USD yen, both charts. So we're gonna see what the heck happened to these charts, all right? So your questions, let me see another question. What is it? Do I need to run it? Okay, fine. Okay, yes, I do have it. Even if I don't have it, and if you already are like subscriber, then you can get the discounts on anything you want. Just email me whatever you want. Now, is it wrong to have? Okay, I answered. Okay, what could I possibly be doing wrong? A lot of things. So, but the thing is that writing and typing, you're not gonna understand. So let me just show you that what you need to be doing. Then you fix yourself. Right? Simple as that. All right. So a couple of questions I already answered, but let me show you how 40-minute and then 7-minute entry and then 20-minute entry comes along. This is written here on every 40-minute chart. It's written here, USD yen, see, written here, right? It was here when I made the chart. Where's the chart? Let me show you. I'm just going to show you these two, right? Which I posted on the Telegram. I made several, but let's talk about these two because otherwise the video is going to be too long. So these two I posted on the Telegram, and this one also very nicely retracing after the move, retracing and touching the EMAs. These EMAs are very important when the price goes away and then comes back and then goes away and then comes back. So when it is going away, it's a good trade. Let's say the first degree trade, I call it, the best one. When it is coming towards the EMAs, you can trade, but it's risky, dangerous, and second degree. Right? I do all the time. Once you learn, you become master, you can do it. But I would rather you do only away from the wave. Right? For example, this one, and what happened on here, you see this one was like crisscrossing, so it's okay. But see this one here, touching the EMS and boom, right? This one good, this one good, this one good, this one good. Then now, since it is not coming down here, this one is like low and then again came down. And then it's like I said, there are other studies and the index and all of that. When I see, then I know that it's about to change the direction. This is a move and this is a flat correction. Could be like wave 1, ABC 2, and then followed by wave 3. But then again, we do not open the trade blindly, right? We wait. It's look, read what's it. After having a reversal candle on 40. If you don't have a reversal candle, no trade, no long trade at all. Don't even think about it. I don't even think about it. I don't even look at it. Today's trade, by the way, I was cooking food, right? And you see here in the background, I'm myself talking. Let me show you see this, you hear this sound here. UJ short. See, UJ short. If I'm cooking and I'm away and all of a sudden the reversal candle is in place, UJ short, I start talking in the background. I made this ears myself with my sound instead of UJ short. Right. So let me show you UJ short where the heck is happening. You can see the reversal candle must be in place. So let me show you. You see that? Reversal candle and the next red candle is coming. So this is the alarm that I have. And you have the alarm. I have my sound speaking. I made all of these for myself. If you want, I'll give it to you. Just email me. So, but you have to make those. Yeah, I can give you those years. No problem. So after that only, right? So this is like a confirmation. So we have a confirmation that okay, a GJ long right here, right? You will get a confirmation. So that this is just a heads up. It's not to trade to open the trade. It is only a warning that maybe a long trade is coming along. So we are paying attention to 7-minute and 20-minute. They also have CTS to work with, but they are off right now. They are not on the chart. They are not supposed to be on the chart all the time, right? Once you have a reversal candle and you see that there is one blue candle already posted, immediately you place your CTS 7 on 7-minute chart, not even 20-minute chart just yet, right? Only 7-minute chart and make it long in this case because the idea is that it's going to go long. It may drop, then you don't want that, right? Because it is not according to the plan. I don't do that. Well, I do that all the time, but it is dangerous for you if if you're not an expert or you just started, FX. So once you have this and then you see the blue candles, then you go on a 7-minute chart and you see that, yeah, price is moving nicely to the upside, and then you will automatically get the 7-minute entry. Now, there is another question that I saw it here, for example. Here, you said that I noted that the 7-minute CTS would open a trade almost at the 7-minute reversal. That's right. But then you're saying that, therefore hitting SL, why? Why is that? If it opens the trade, it need to go up, why? Sometimes it will hit the SL. Yeah, sometimes, the price can return and then hit the SL. But most of the time, what happens? When you have a 40-minute reversal at a location, especially when I give you the chart, right? And there's a reason that I make the chart, 40-minute chart, right? Based on the harmonic pattern, Elliott wave, and especially Fibonacci calculation, right? It's very important to understand that. So based on that, I make the 40-minute chart, which has 80 to 90% chance that it will go in my way. So once you have that, and if then you open the 7-minute, trade, chances are more than 70% that it will go your way and a sell will not hit. All right. So, but you are probably taking every single 40-minute, and that's why that's happening, right? Now, while the 20-minute would never open a trade. Now, you see, the thing is that 5-minute chart or 15-minute chart, consider that. 5-minute chart is making a setup earlier, and 15-minute, the price is going to go up and then retrace, and then you will have a 15-minute chart entry, right? Just like that, 20-minute chart entry you will get later, maybe several hours later or the next day, actually. Okay, so right after 7-minute chart, now let me go back to the 40-minute. Now here I'm going to open up a little bit. Okay, this is the reversal candle here, right? A very small body. Now the 7-minute entry should be, most of the time, is within 1 to 4 candles, right? Somewhere here. That you will get the 7-minute entry. And then somewhere here, you will get a 20-minute entry. Remember that. You're not going to get a 20-minute entry here. No way, because actually you're going to get the reversal. Reverse a 20-minute entry. I mean, you're supposed to get a long one here, right? But within 3 to 4, 1 to 4, if you get the 20-minute, that would be a short entry. We're not supposed to take that at all, right? Because we have a blue candle going on the 40 minutes. So forget about the, going short. You can, but that's a different ballgame. I'm not talking about that here. I'm talking about after my chart. When I give you my chart, that is going to go up. Stick with the plan. Now, here, like I said, within 3 or 4 candles, you get the 7-minute entry, which you will never look back, and your SL will never hit, and then boom, you go. And down the road, you will get a 20-minute entry as well, and you can take that as well, and boom. You can, if you are already in the trade, you don't want to be open up too many trades. Yeah, you can just hold on to that one and disregard the 20-minute entry. If you miss the 7-minute entry somehow, you're sleeping or whatever, or you're not at the computer, and then you get the 20-minute, you take the 20-minute, right? Now, let me show you that what is happening here. Now, this reversal candle, you see that? It happens at 23, February 23rd, 2033, right? Wow, that's February 23rd, and time is 2023, 23rd. Very good. Okay, so let's take a look at the trade that I took after this, so that was available today. I mean, yesterday. Today is 24 now. So after 2023, we have to wait for a 7-minute entry after 2300 hour, right? 2300 hour, almost like 230. Well, 2023. So let's go. Let me show you my trade, the entry, the 7-minute entry. for GJ today, 23rd, 2023, and let's see 2023. Is this the entry? Okay, here. Now look at the time in below. So it's February 23rd, 23:25. So the setup was 2023, somewhere there, back there, right? So after that, we're not supposed to look down. We look for the long. We're supposed to be looking for long setup, right? So this is the first one that got this, the EA opened the trade here. Now notice that once the trade is open, the price never came below. My SL was right here. So it opened the trade and then goes straight up. Then again, it dip here. You know what this dip is? That's a 20-minute entry. That's what it is. That's the game, right? It's deep, but that, if you understand, if you want to understand, you can. It's not a rocket science. But then let me show you that where this 20-minute entry comes. And look, by that time, we are on the 24th. This is the entry on the 23rd. This is the next day, 24th, right? So let's take a look at if we had that trade as well for the 20-minute entry on GJ. Here it is. The 7-minute entry was somewhere here, and this is on the 4th. You see that? This entry, this dip, and it gave me the entry. The 20-minute entry was built here. Now here you can see that there was a 20-minute short entry when it was moving up after making a reversal on a 40. So you're not supposed to take this one because it is against my analysis, right? 40 minutes supposed to be going there. So from here, I had 160 pip, and from here, again, another one on the 20-minute. I took both of them. Sometimes you get both, sometimes you get only one, maybe 7, maybe 20, whatever, right? So that's the idea. That's why I have it written here. It says, what the heck happened here? Where'd it go? Oh, it's up. It's freezing. Why? I don't know. Maybe some news or something here. So it is down here. So every 40-minute chart is written here after having a reversal candle on 40, after. But not every candle. Not here, not here, not here, not here. You can get that, in the middle of nowhere. Or for example, this one is a reversal candle here. But this indicator is in the middle of nowhere, right? So we disregard that, right? If it is not at a level like this one, what the hell? It's not 61%, it's not 50%, it's not Fibonacci, it's not Elliott wave, all of that. So I make the chart on a daily basis and I post on the Telegram. And this is what I teach in my one-on-one, right? So if you learn yourself, that's the best, because for the rest of your life, even if I die, you know what the heck happened and what need to be done. If not, just pay attention to my 40-minute charts and then trade accordingly and learn from there, little by little. So after that, you saw the pound yen after the reversal candle, only in that direction. Keep the chart open all the time. Don't close during the week. And when you have a 40-minute and you have something like that, you're gonna have a bell or beep, right? Here on me, I recorded my own voice and says, well, which pair, because I'm cooking, and then bell is, a couple of pairs are ringing, but I have no idea. I have to come and then look what is really ringing, right? So this way, I know exactly JJ long. Okay, I know what the heck is happening. Which pair is moving, making along. Then comes a GU short, okay, pound USD short. All right, no problem. So I don't have to come here. So if I'm interested, I'll come and take, put the CTS on a 7-minute chart. If not, then what the hell with it, right? So that's why I have it. So I hope that I clear everything here in this video, all your questions that, 7-minute will not hit. But yeah, if you take the 7-minute, every 40-minute reversal, and then you place the 7-minute CTS on 7-minute, then you're probably going to have SL hit a lot of times, right? Don't do that. And then don't expect that 20-minute will open the trade immediately. No, it's not. It will go, the 7-minute will move a little bit in the direction, 50, 60, 70 pip, sometimes even 100 pip, and then make the retracement. That small retracement create a 20-minute entry. And then it goes up again in the direction. if it is not, have not reached the daily limit, right? So daily range. So what else again? Yeah. Okay. All right. So the running right, and then so I think that I answer all your questions and I clarify everything. And similarly, let me just show you while I'm here that what happened here, right? So let's take a look at that. Let me go here and here, and it was here. So let me open up a little bit here and see when exactly the reversal candle happened here, right here, right? So it is also a 906, but my first trade probably was from here. So let me show you. This was also 23. That's 1840. So 9 and 18. Let's see when I got the entry. Where the heck is that, man? Um, okay, it's not. Let me see. This is GJ, right? Okay, just let me just open a new one here. UJ. Okay, here. This is before chart, man. What's happening to me? Okay, UJ. This one. You see that? Right there. So okay, that first one, probably I had the entry here. It went up, and then what happened? The price moved 20, 30, 40 pip in my direction. I moved my SL to break even, and I'm taken out. So I don't even bother showing all of that drama, right? Why? Waste of time. So I didn't lose anything. I didn't make anything. So what the hell with that? Then again, it started to bounce because my 40-minute chart is still intact, right? So my 40-minute chart, what it did is that here, and then it made the short reversal, bearish reversal, which I don't want. And then again, here, the bullish reversal happened. So I will pay attention to this one now, right? And this is at 024 215, 024 215. So you see here, my entry is, I can't even see it, man. What's up? That this entry is the first one. It's a little early, and you can see here it is 23 and 2200, almost like 24. It just started to go up, and even before that happened, let me see. 23, 24, what happened exactly? 23, 23, somewhere here. So within that reversal candle, right? My EA opened the trade because I left it there. After this one, my SL hit, but I left it there so long only. So the next entry came and it opened the trade. Now, but look, this one after this, after 215 on 24, do we have an entry? 215, after 215. So you see that if you look closely, if you disregard this one, then you see after this is 24 1 and then 24 300 hour, right? So you have a beautiful entry here, you have a beautiful entry here. Now, actually, my EA was still there, so it opened this one, but then later on, Umar saw this is what's happening, so he placed the EA on his one, and he got this entry. This is the first one that I have actually, and he got this one. That's his one. Yeah, this is one. No, this is different, man. What am I saying? What am I doing here? Where the heck is the entry go? Okay, hold on. Let me see. There's another one. Um, this one. See, my entry was this one, and then the second entry, Umar, is this one here. His second, right? So he got this one, and then he got end up with 85 pip. So you get the entries, and then the price never look back. But you must take these entries right after the 40-minute reversal happening. Not anywhere, not all the time, right? And every 40-minute reversal will not do the job. Okay, so I think I cleared everything. I showed you that these two charts only. These two I posted on the Telegram for my subscribers and everybody else, and even the video that I made just a little while ago, maybe a few hours ago, about the Bitcoin and gold. I showed these setups that this is going to happen, and be ready, and that's exactly what happened. Within few hours, that happens, and I have these trades. So I have in between altogether, let me see. All of these trades were based on the yen index, which is this one, right? So it's supposed to go all the way there. And right now, so far, I recorded the chart after, is this. A couple hours ago, I recorded. So it went from here to here. That's why all the pairs went up. See this? If it bounces from this, all yen pairs will go up. Only today, I had how many? Let's take a look. Okay. Starting from 23rd, and today's 24th is still going on, right? So here, all together, I'll show you. And all long, right? That's what I said on the index chart. So on the 23rd, so 120 pips, the USD yen, pound yen 160 pip on the 23rd, euro yen 110 pip on, here's the entry, right? Right. This is the 40-minute reversal, then entry, right? And then CAD yen for 50 pip, beautiful entry here. Then UJ, beautiful entry here. This is I showed you. And then again, GJ for a 20-minute chart, 105 pip more. So see, 5 or 6 trades just in one day, almost holding like maybe 300-400 pip, more than that, right? Because of the plan. So I made the plan ahead of time. All of these 40-minute charts, for example, my euro yen was doing the same thing. See, big move, A, B, C, sideways correction, boom. I don't know where the chart is, but yeah. So I was just like pound yen, exactly the same scenario here. This is USD yen I just showed you, and let me see where the heck is Aussie yen. Aussie yen was like this is move, this is A, B, C. That's a expanded flat, which I explained that in my yesterday's video. A couple of pair were moving, making that, and it moved a little bit, not much, right? Because Aussie is also weak, so it didn't go much higher. And then CAD yen, for that matter, it was here bouncing from this, and then wave 1, ABC 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is how it's moved. So everything, all yen pairs went up because of the index chart was making a long setup, and then it moved alongside with all yen pairs going to the upside. All right. So these are the answers for that email, and for other people asking different questions about how 40-minute, then 7-minute entry, then 20-minute entry. But 40-minute has to be in a specific place, not everywhere, right? And that's why I make these charts and post on my Telegram for my subscribers, obviously. Not only this, you can see I post the trade and the setup, like this setup. The US dollar is going to drop, and then these pair will go up, and these 3 pair will go down. I have written everything. This one was that it's going to go up, pound USD, right? This one, all of these setup charts are, either I make the video and then send out, and as well as I post on my Telegram. All right. So Ravi, I hope you understand what it is, and if still not, then let me know what's the problem is. Then I'll have Umar coming in. Then if there's a technical problem, right? Like I said, that CT6 not working. Why? How not working? I don't understand. So give me an email and detail that why it's not working, how it's not working. You already told me that that thing hitting the SL means that it's opening the trade. But then you're saying that it's not working. What do you mean by not working? So let me know, okay? and I'll explain it to you. So this is it for now. It's a long video now, right? But I had to explain. That's what it is. And you must understand. Okay, so bye for now, and talk to you guys later.
You just short.